natin. Ipamimigay ko na lang to ng mura. Ayan. O mga madam, premium t-shirts, tag 28 po ito. Mga premium kasi ito, magagandang tela. Tag 28 po ito mga madam. Pati ibibigay ko na lang to, sige, ng mga tag to 24. Ayan. Yung tubo ko mga madam, piso na lang talaga. Promise po. Mahal po ito mga madam, lalo na shipping and tariffs po. Okay, so this is all premium po. All premium na shirts. If you guys want it, this is a free size po up to XL. Okay, ibibigay ko na lang po ito ng 24 para lang mabenta na po. This is only 24. Tago 1 each na lang to mga madam, So, this is only 1 each na lang. Mga tira-tira na lang to last live. So, mine ako nito ng flower number 1. Mine, flower number 1 for only 24 na lang. Mine, flower, ang ganda diba mga madam mo? Mine, flower number 1. This is super, super nice quality po. So, if you want this one, mine, flower number 1. This is only 24 na lang, free size up to XL po. You can wear with the short, with the with your square pants or your skirt mga madam. Mga madam, dalawa na po yung sinuot ko na ganito. Napakaganda po ng quality. So if you guys want this one, this is only $24 na lang. Free size po ito up to XL. And this is cotton spandex po if you guys want it. Okay? So, mine, flower number 1, this is only $24 na lang. Ang cute niya mga madam mo. Flower number 1. And then, flower number 2. Ayan, flower number 2. Iba naman ito. And mga madam, ang ganda Look at that. It's super, super nice. You can wear this for a special event. You can wear with a skirt, with your short, with your square pants, or any kind of pants. Yan, flower number 2 for $24. This is a premium quality. I got this from the mall in Thailand. And then flower number 3. Mine, flower number 3. Mine, flower number 3. This is spandex cotton. Flower number 3. Ito naman si flower number 4. Same siya, pero ilagay ko na lang flower number 4. Same siya ng suot ko, but it's white. Okay? Flower number 4. How much Gucci bag? Gucci bag? Where's the Gucci bag? Gucci bag? Where you find the Gucci bag po, Miss